I'm Lori Fangio, and I'm going to be showing you how to roast tomatoes. Roasted tomatoes make a wonderful side dish, and they're an excellent alternative to a traditional salad. They're super easy. Let's get started. Slicing the tomatoes about 1/4 of an inch thick with a sharp knife. Next, I'm going to spread the tomatoes out on a foil-lined baking sheet. Just going to add some salt, pepper, and my tomatoes are ready for the oven. I've got my oven set to broil. The tomatoes will only take about 3 or 4 minutes. So it's a super easy, fast side dish and really one that's super nutritious. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, and it's important for all of us to get a serving of tomatoes every single day, especially men, because lycopene protects men against prostate cancer. So I'm just gonna slide my tomatoes right into the oven and they'll be ready in a few minutes.